What's up, guys? Today we are in Tractor Supply, still at Owner Bros, and we found this awesome fort. Alright, you ready? We're about to go in. Alright. Here it is. What's up, dude?
Yeah.
We got plenty of stuff. If we do stay in here, we are going to cover this up with boxes, cover that up with boxes all down there. Plug that up a little bit. And perfect fort. Look, we got a little sleeping room over
I call top bunk.
over here. Right there. And that is if we do this. But
We're in Tractor Supply.
yeah, I told him that. This is the entrance. It's kind of sneaky when I just talked it through. But to get out in emergencies, like we're about to get caught, just go right through there. All right, just like that. All right, bye.